If you're considering buying Social Studio for social media management and analytics, here are 12 things you need to know before you make your decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Social Studio is the right choice for you, or if you should explore better options. Let's get into it. First thing, Social Studio offers powerful tools for social media management, especially for large teams and enterprises. Compared to other platforms like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, Social Studio is more tailored for brands that have a substantial digital presence and need advanced reporting capabilities. It shines when it comes to handling multiple accounts and channels from a single dashboard. Next thing, Social Studio's analytics are top-notch, but they might not be as intuitive as some of its competitors. While it provides in-depth reports, navigating these features could take some time to get used to. Platforms like Buffer are known for their user-friendly interfaces, making it easier for beginners to dive into analytics without a steep learning curve. The third thing you should know is the content creation features. Social Studio excels at scheduling posts across platforms and supports a wide range of media types. However, it lacks the advanced content creation tools seen in competitors like Canva integration or creative suggestions that tools like Later provide. If you're looking for a platform that combines scheduling with easy design tools, Social Studio might fall short. The fourth thing is its customer support. While generally responsive, Social Studio doesn't offer as much immediate assistance compared to platforms like Sprout Social, which provides more real-time chat support. If you're in need of fast, live customer service, this might be something to consider. The fifth thing to note is the integration capabilities. Social Studio integrates well with Salesforce, but outside of that ecosystem, it doesn't offer as broad an array of integrations as competitors like Hootsuite or Zoho Social. If you're using a variety of tools in your workflow, make sure the integration options align with your needs. The sixth thing is scalability. If your social media presence is expanding, Social Studio can scale with you. However, it may feel more complex and overwhelming as you add more accounts, which isn't the case with simpler tools like Buffer. So, if you're just starting out, consider whether you need this level of complexity. Next, Social Studio's reporting and data visualization are extremely customizable. For teams that need specific insights, it's a strong point. But if you're looking for something more straightforward, tools like SocialBee or AgriPulse may offer easier to understand dashboards. The eighth thing is its pricing. Social Studio is known for its higher pricing, particularly for smaller teams or businesses. In comparison, platforms like Buffer or Sendable offer more affordable plans while still providing solid features. Social Studio's pricing model might only make sense if you're in a larger organization with a big budget. The ninth thing is its mobile app. Social Studio's mobile functionality is decent, but it's not as polished or feature-rich as some of its competitors like Sprout Social or Zoho Social. If managing your accounts on the go is crucial, consider looking for a platform that offers a more robust mobile app. The 10th thing you should consider is the learning curve. Social Studio can be quite overwhelming at first, especially for individuals or small businesses that don't have dedicated teams. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite are known for being much easier to get started with, making them better choices if you're new to social media management. Next, Social Studio provides strong publishing capabilities. You can schedule, approve, and manage your posts efficiently, making it a great choice for larger teams. However, if you're a solo social media manager, you might find the interface a bit more than what you need. Simpler tools might offer more flexibility and ease of use in that case. The 12th thing is its overall value for money. While Social Studio offers robust features, it might not justify the price for smaller businesses or casual users. Platforms like Sprout Social or Buffer offer excellent value at lower price points with easier setups and essential features that can work for a wide range of users. So, is Social Studio a good option? Yes, if you're managing a large enterprise and require powerful analytics, reporting, and publishing tools. But if you want a better, more affordable solution that's easier to use, we have a recommendation you can try for free. Check out the link in the description to discover a solution that might be better suited for your needs.